Hey class, so this is summer e-commerce class. I just wanted to walk through how I'm going to grade project 4 and project 5. So what I do is I click on posts and I'll see all of your individual posts. Sometimes you'll have like this filler post, this MVP. I'm not going to grade those. I'm going to look over here on this side and I'm looking for the MVPs and I'm looking for the fillers. So 3 MVPs, 3 fillers. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4 posts. This one here has some oranges on it. They should all have green on both sides, okay, if you're looking for the perfect score. This tells me right away that this one I'm most likely going to look at in more depth. So I'm going to click on Edit. And once I'm in here, I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom. And I'm going to click on this SEO Analysis. And right off the bat, we see that there's four red dots. Okay. Now each of these red dots need to go away. Okay. So in the rubric, it tells you exactly how many red dots are permitted. For a perfect score, you will have no red dots. Okay. So key phrase in introduction, your key phrase or its synonyms do not appear in the first paragraph. So you come up here and look at your key phrase. Key phrase is NFL. So if you wanted to, you would say we need to have the NFL in the first paragraph. So this is the first paragraph. We could simply do something like the Pittsburgh Steelers, an NFL team, has one of the best histories. Click update and let's see if that fixes it. So hit save, come down, look at the analysis, and right off the bat that fixed both of those. Okay, next one says H1 should only be used on the main title. That's another one, pretty easy one to fix. So we would come up here and I think this is Dylan's website. Thanks for letting me fix it and show everybody. But right here, you'll notice this is a heading 1. This is also a heading 1, and this is a heading 1. So essentially what it's saying is you have too many heading 1s. So what we would do is click on this and just say, you know what, make that heading 2. Click this one, that's a good heading 1, but let's change this one to a heading 2 also. And we'll update it and see if that fixes it. Come back down, look at the analysis. Now it says H1 should only be used as your main title. Find all H1s in your text that aren't your main title and change them to a lower level heading. So let's take this one and we'll just move it here. Update it and see if that will fix it. Okay. Key phrase and subheading. Use more key phrases or synonyms in your higher level subheadings. So trivia contest, we can say something like NFL trivia contest. Click update and so you play with this and see how that starts to go. So now he only has one left here. Key phrase is not in the title, does not appear in the title. So it does appear in the title. Does not appear in the title of the post. So we can just simply add NFL trivia. And we can do that same thing up here. NFL trivia, and then let's capitalize that. And click update. And that's how I would go about fixing. Now it's in the permalink. Now it's up here in the actual title. It's up here in this heading 1. And if I come down here and look at it, I don't have any red dots. And that's really what I'm looking for. The orange ones would be good too, but I'm all out of red dots. Okay. This one here says image alt tag attribute. Does not have an alt tag. So if you click on the image and click edit, you'll want to always add an alt tag. So this is the Indy 500 is the alt tag. Click update. And then click update again. So that's how I'm going to grade them. I'm just going to log in. I'm going to look at them. Come down here and just see. I needed to add the key phrase to that. So I should have put in NFL in there for that. But anyway, that's how I'm going to grade those. I'm also going to look at categories. So in your category here, I'm just going to look right here to see that they're all green. Okay, this one is not green. It will tell, we should fix it. So if I click fan bases, it will tell me what my problem is. Single title H1 should only be used in your main title. So I would go through there and I would fix this. Okay, and then also with products, it's going to be exactly the same with products. I'm going to look at all the products, open up each product. Okay, so this product here, and then I'm going to scroll down and look at the SEO, which this assignment's not due yet, so it's why it's not been adjusted. So then I'll check to make sure all these are right. Okay, and then the same thing with product categories here. Make sure that these are all green also. Okay, so those are essentially the two next projects.